Uyebi, our parliament, and sa parliament Kroya, I will do moja, a two ho, a more chima, and Kasenchie, and Mguasia, and Facta. On your gobi, Wogu, about the same, Ochima, Yediano, Yendia, and Unti, Achamsi entrance, Yabanaso, Yanua Becasa, near the petition, Akoma, Sika, Nana was any.
Etamanebo ama ene Murtala Mohammmed ewu ama NDC for nani abre ese crodom. Isi ane o ma be din komo bi. Afa galamse hono mtire mu say isi galamse kon no. Eye shoot to kill. Obobo galamse site bia do bo mu nyina mutuo. Ekuma o ma be send warning to Ghana youth for. Na fe so efa Murtala Mohammmed awawu no obekai achemfo ebo ni dua bi. Achemfo bo Murtala Mohammед dua bi. E ma say dua no o ma mpem wasem nka. To me meji di say eye dua no ana enya no say this fan hwe ya e dua no e da so ho ha eye adwuma aha Penyah block media meso say ni di mo obe like keep video no ada ma bo subscribe button na ba click notification icon no latest updates na ba kire wa adwen dia ma me e wo comment section meso so ba so no a hye video for so anya bi ahwe enti no matoranchi ma to Ghana ye kwade de twa mi ye 6 August eye da bone e wo man Ghana after so man elusi 2 cabinet ministers, Minister for Defense and Minister for Environment. These two prominent ministers Ghana Elusi womunyina dako in a plane crash. Emma adiwe ebiara hosem. Now say omokoye program to dini responsible mining and hwa just say mining ye ewo boase. Fofi antwata omo eku ya bra na ko mu call launch program bi ase be bo mining ho ban say be Ghana fo nyina mu bi engage in a responsible mining so that galamsey activity will be eradicated from our system any other day. I don't want as a fofi antwata omo eko na ewo ni ba ye na se eni bre aba enti NDC for no kire mu se ene junior na mu kwa kodi no na eye efa galamsey nsensem ya ho ana o ma wudi sa ne de eye galamsey fo eno mu blame mu se si eye galamsey site bi amwo no monya careful because so wo bowra hon ma o ma betutu atuo abubo nipa tuo akonipa na o moko
galamsey ana ma obi nkwala ketingeti wosu abadinta enam nimpo ba ku naful ono be examine na kuma da fufunta ano ya baba John Mahama ya mpani ya mo kwan before yenwie dem asama atu ye ede yenye ntumi yinu yenyi fru onwie no onra bonte mekade efri na kotin ton tan galamsey wekem dembe bu na ye wa oman ni mu ye wa ndisi mu yesu ye nje boje ne bia hwegu a eye ye mpe boje se bia biem Ghana ye mpe boje se bia biem atal tuntum ye mpe biem ye ba sha tala be jina na ya tal fufu ni ye sha bada nyame ase ye sha ta tuntum be jama se obi papa e me se obi wofa obi nana ye mpe dem nsama ne biem entu bani papa Mahama ene ne vice Professor Jena no pokwa ajiman efri na de koi wo fo mu nasi fo dem nsama no twem ye mpe galamsey bia biem obi akusu adwuma ekwo school and ko school carpenter enye school ni edisua medicine enye school obi akusu abi na fast o give family na mercy yempa biem metiane kofi NDC mawie
say they were saying that some of Cairo and what you so God will judge them. But we are telling the left force say no more no and then we video the secretary maybe can say no it's very careful and nobody make them say we come after you, we will shoot you and we will kill you because and I'm also and you go for your day and we are going to tell them say nobody na give for some kind of force. He said who says here Ghana head no ya fa any day and this 7 go and adwuma o man be say say me say mama say on can come to you then for telechi and this for telechi as the for telechi we are ready for the NDC and we are going to make sure say Ghana be everyone to pay the efra and I say the ticket former the greater Accra communicator also Kasua branch organizer right then look at the program over there our first side right 2016 every people upon me let me pay you how much I say papa from body check I will follow you until somebody man penny they can say so passion you know mama papa look at the way of to be contacted on every single be our man nobody we are not going to sit down for anything to happen to NDC government again I say so but I must say
da bia ya be ka asem bi say asem ba wo Ghana bloggers no enye kwase bia na ma ne microphone se won kasa Monte. Ye makwase microphone se won kasa. Enye obia na de microphone si na no se won kasa. Akọ mu kasa ye mu nyina obia ni ho anyansa sei. Ewo ni tiri plane no. Eye Galamsey ne bi na tutu bom. Ana obi eto tire bom. Mu de Jimmy asem ba mu benya abotira akọ asem no akọ hwe mu de si ye na kwase asem Jimmy se ye. Galamsey ni bi na tutu bom. Ana Galamsey ni bi na frame so my program. Obi na frame ho. Did anybody call you people? Obi na free obi so my responsible man one. Obi na free obi. Ana plane eye Galamsey ni bi na tea plane. Asem ba mu nsuo nyansa kakra. And this form will free no. 200 for your collection. Omo an na ekwa Galamsey site. E promise say o omo ntuma NDC na NDC ba omo ba omo ho ban. Amu mai Galamsey no.
Senyame boa na NDC. December 7. Yetu abano. Ama omampeli John Mahama. Ebe ye president. Ejumano uma koswa ye.
Mahama ka say Ghana yesi wo gold you nyina na di dwa enum no. Eye Galamsey na abo ma Ghana enya gold.
One, Senior Mekan, gold is the one holding Ghana now. And because of Galamsey Intina, we were 80 tons per year. I feel 135 tons. Additional, be brave free Galamsey.
It is a Galamsey no one Ghana you gold be 7 gold board useless without Galamsey. Useless. Useless. Enti wa asem ba mo kasa de kobotuo ko ho Jimmy say MPP na kan say yanke ye call the police for so mu ngoche no. Sa statement we say MPP ni be make it this statement anka they are now anka san kwasiafo they are calling on Ghana police as o mu ngoche idipakrom o mu ngoche ntu and anka wa beche so. Now let's move to Murtala Mohammmed ewo no any bia achemfo ebro no. Obekaya Ghana ye celebrate Founders Day e wa Ghana hanomo. In Parliament no omu rogize our big men, that is the big sis, JB Danquah, more, Edward for money, omo. Now, a honomono, Omo can say JB Danquah doesn't deserve a eulogize. Just in this one can say JB Danquah, the on secret of Bonnie D, our Parliament House, one more. Ashton Munyam say, and nay, public day 10 years, Omo Moje Gan is one of the human Munyam Debbie. Emma Murtala Mohammmed, as you know, oh. Never be okay kaya belonging to CIA and our traitor where nation wrecker. Emma Murtala Mohammmed can the tart was say JB Danquah died a miserable death.
Espouse your points and I espouse my points. Leave that to the judgment of the people of this country. I am quoting Martin Meredith's book of the State of Africa. He described JB Danquah as one of CIA agents who was paid to betray his country. These are not my words. These are not my words. Mr. Speaker, I have a copy. I have a copy of that book in my office.
No way. Are you also
He played no role in the building of a Dam. don't attribute something to him. And Mr. Speaker, he also said that JB Danquah died a horrible death. And Abuja, as a matter of fact, the NLC constituted a committee to investigate the circumstance under which JB Danquah died.
Honorable member, conclude.
He died in natural death.
Honorable member, conclude.
Speaker.
Honorable member,
to dead country. Member of Parliament.
Honorable member,
Who put
honorable member,
the motion in it? Put it what?
honorable member,
Motion. Put it down that he's
honorable member.
Put it down, madness. Put it down, madness.
What is it? Honorable members, honorable members, honorable members.
It was say a body day our Parliament House one more, a shed and munyam. Even in the history of Ghana, yen in free on Kahumbi, yen in free. Emma so kind, Emuno, and I go for even that daughter of a murderers and 7 crab Ghana Parliament and then this one's Efuno. I dear chin, Anna a chim for. Edin can be a video catch and say, Murtala Mohammmed, by patcher because ultimately ye hero because JB Danquah ya chimney. Ultimately a hero and Massa.
For youth development in what you mind. And they have to say, you better petition. Here are bread right on Abu Speaker of Parliament. Say, only something, not on my Abranti and I say, Honorable Minister, Murtala Mohammmed, on apologizing to the family of JB Danquah and then Ghana at large because JB Danquah, or Chima from Quadia. JB Danquah was a member of the Big Six. In Nigeria, why social studies in school. Be study based the impact that he played in this country. Never be one in and you know with my boy and idiot. Now the way and it's not sumbo. Yes, it's a didn't go on a crab pay and a cover buy. If that is a better than great room, I can't answer one. In the nothing you are say all man and trains are anything much be I pay at the CBR. Say as some of can on the platform or the medium that he used in making those statements. All news are medium now non fan pack. JB Danquah and then the family. Any Ochima, any Ghana United at all. Say the way kind of candidate.
Now, in conformity, Yamoya and some person more equalizing with focus on what you don't know.
Yeah, this is all a matter of equalization. Because in the first place, we are here to identify what you say. Yeah, who need pampa or make comment about the honorable Zanata Wallace. Yeah, who need pampa. If you are depending we are, then a bit like assassin. But for now, we are dealing with the member of Parliament for Tamale Central, the Honorable Murtala Mohammmed. What Kasem, it's a JB Danquah, as a million, as some any Minaswo. It was virtually incorrect because when you CIA agent, he wasn't a traitor or Ghana. If he ain't dealing with this matter first, then if the speaker, the Parliament, or say, we go to the Kasema, or he was a traitor and a member of CIA. But I say, now say, CIA for no, not every year, phobia and as phobia, you chumka, no for my being who sent the America. So I don't know just not JB Danquah, but JB Danquah on your side. It's a neutral book for a while and face. And then it's a yes, just Speaker of Parliament, first of all my name shares some now kind and sign. Says answer, Nanu is remarks 1 year. Now they toss me in one part a bush of watch. JB Danquah in a bush of 1 point, trying to get a queen natural. So some kind 1 can in no need so be with hindsight and on Concas and the ground.
The patch out, oh, massa, Omo 24 hours no sooner, Omo and Teshe, Emo, Enema, Achem, Ahim for Fosso, Eddie and San Echo, JB Danquah, no muso, Edom what can't say. Omo can't you go Mutera so, any NDC former Parliament, Omo what can't you go so.
We are all here to show our concern to the Speaker of Parliament that somebody has literally insulted our dear beloved Dr. JB Danquah. upon all he had done for this nation. He doesn't deserve that. So we are here to pour libation on the tomb and send our petition to the speaker by tomorrow for the person to withdraw what he said. Ampa, who ye be? Our parliament. And sa parliament kuya, I will do moja, a two ho, a more chima, and Kasenchie, and Mguasia, and Fata. On your gobi, Wogu, about the same, Oshima, Yediano, Yendia, and Unti, Achamsi and Trans, Yabanaso, Yanua Becasa, we the petition, Akoma, Sika, Nana Uzen, a flower, Nani Averi, Sony Paco, Udia, Odo, Yakuye, Ahubrasia, the Buagan and Umpanabon. Nemom, ye gunsa, Setayachi, no machinzai, Alpha Chopper, Nase, or see, Alpha Chopper Maria, Nananum, Yesia, then ye diem, ye were too awful.
Eduabo way, Obia and fine yasem. Eduaway. Yako kanchi egu obia muso etia nipa wa kasa mu anotia no yako kanchi de wakwahye ne sama ensa and is one fan so a joke enya hwe bibia ensi eye politics ne nyina ye bibia nim hwe ensi se na bibi wo ene se Murtala Mohammmed ato ananom ewo ensi do na sa no mi we no eda so da ho se NDC fo ampe bibia anya mfa wo ahwe mo ase nyina abehye omu ni muntia so ma ampe bibi Oma mpe penyini bi anyansa wo ne tirim amra nka nkyem se no me we mu nko reverse a ebeda ne nsamanto a de be frɛ mu 1 by 1 kyerɛ adwema me e wo comment section aha Penyah Media agra